Preparing the dog's breakfast. I give Maddie, she's 8 pounds, and I give her 1/3 of a cup of the food here. A flattened out cup. And Ross, I give him a 1/2 cup, but I overfill it quite a bit. Alright, and put it in the bowls, in their bowls. Ross gets 16 drops of the blood cleansing tonic from 5 Leaf, the Arena Cleanse tincture from 5 Leaf, and a 1/2 teaspoon of the dog greens from 5 Leaf. This is basically their vitamins, and they have to have it twice a day. Ross has kidney failure, so that's why he needs these. And then in the mornings, they also get fish oil. And right now I'm using these. They're for dogs, for pets. Ross gets 1 in the morning, and I just use a small needle to puncture like the middle of it, and then squeeze it into his bowl. And Maddie gets a 1/2. So I do the same with hers, and then once I squeeze out a 1/2, I just set the other 1/2 aside till the next morning. In the evenings, they get a 1/2 teaspoon per bowl of the eggshell, crushed eggshells, and you can use the powder also. And once I run out of this oil, I'll be switching to UDO's oil 369 blend. It's refrigerated and it's much higher quality. And then I add a little bit of purified water, filtered water, to their bowls, and then just mix it up. And I think I covered everything here. Yeah, and as you can see, they are extremely excited to eat twice a day. So yeah, that's about how it looks when it's done.